Around 33,000 Boeing workers went on strike after rejecting a 4-year contract from the company. This is Boeing's first major strike in 16 years, halting production and potentially affecting Boeing's 10,000 suppliers and the U.S. economy. The union had been offered a 25% pay raise and job security promises, but workers were still unhappy, citing past layoffs and frustrations. The strike could lead to delays in delivering new airplanes, impacting airlines and businesses across the country. Boeing, eager to return to negotiations, hopes to settle soon. A long strike could hurt not just Boeing, but also suppliers and communities that depend on it. But what do you guys think? Do you think the workers made the right choice by striking, or should they have accepted the deal? Share your thoughts below.